Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to make your Windows 11 faster. There are a few things we could do and here are the tips to follow. The first thing to do is to check your startup app. Now some apps automatically start along with your boot sequence and this tends to slow things down. So in order to fix this, go to your start and type in start. Now once you type in start, you can see startup apps. Click on it and this will show you all the apps that start along with your computer. Go ahead and turn those that are not essential to your operation and you'll find out that this will speed up your boot sequence and how your computer feels. Another thing you could do is to right click on your taskbar, select Task Manager, and then right here you'll see tasks that are running currently. Go ahead and click on them, right click, and then select to end the task. This will reduce the load on your computer's RAM and help speed things up. Now something else you can do is to open your start menu and type in disk. Now right here you can see the disk cleanup app and you can click on it and this will show you some files that are no longer useful to your computer but are actually there and waiting to be deleted. So we're going to go through them, choose recycle bin, and as you can see we'll be saving 21.2 gigabytes. Now this helps to make your computer faster because this is easing off from your storage and your RAM will be using some of your storage for certain apps and this will be better on your computer. So say OK, permanently delete, yes, and the process of cleaning up your Windows hard drive will begin. And one more thing you could do depending on your computer, in our case we have the Omen, so we're going to tap on the start and search for Omen. We're going to tap on the Omen Gaming Hub, and this is actually a controller that helps us to speed up certain parts of our computer's operation or everything. So we're going to tap on our laptop and then at the top here you can see performance control. Tap on it and currently it's on default. If you'd like to speed it up, you can tap on performance and this is suitable for gaming. However, it's also suitable for operating with heavy apps such as video editing software, games, and other apps that you might be having on your computer. Now, of course, if you don't have this, you can use the alternative Windows default option. So tap on the start and search for battery. In here, you can see power, sleep, and battery settings, optimize device power performance, and power. So we're going to click on it. And right here, you can see plugged in, balanced on battery, balanced. So we can see that the power mode, we can switch it from balanced to best performance. And this is if you don't have the Omen app, which we showed previously. You can come over here and sort this out by clicking on best performance and this will make your Windows much faster. If you're in the best performance, it's best that your laptop is plugged in. But if you're not plugged in, this will drain your battery faster. So these are the tips to follow if you'd like to make your Windows 11 faster.